week 22 lesson is about erosions by glaciers. So how do glaciers form, and in what ways do they move? And as they're moving, what changes do they cause to the surface of the earth? Okay, this is a little video that you'll take a look at, but I just want you to get your mind open, get your mind wondering and watching about glaciers. This is a watch and be interactive as you're watching the video assignment. Open up your OneNote notebook, and on page 217, you're going to watch the video, and then these little pictures off to the left are prompts of places in the video that you're then going to take notes. It's almost like these notes are sentence starters. So at this part of the video, when the man's talking, he says glaciers begin when, and then you're going to record when. You're going to copy and finish that note. He gets to this point and he says the pressure on the top of the glacier is less so that, and then you're going to finish that part. Okay? Then this part, look at the image. Record your evidence of glacial ice flowing from this image. You're just going to type here what you're noticing in that picture. After you finish taking those notes, it's a pretty quick video, so maybe you want to watch it once and then go back and take the notes. This is an optional video on glaciers. If you would like to watch that for more information, more than welcome. Here is an additional optional video if you'd like to watch it for more information. All right. Now, if we had more time, we would be doing this collaborative jigsaw project, going deeper into glaciers. What I've done for you is kind of sorted out what we need to know, and so we won't be doing this activity this year. But this is the part that you will be doing, and this will be submitted to Schoology. You are going to show how do glaciers move and how do glaciers shape the landscape. You're going to choose either you could do a Google slideshow, kind of like what I'm modeling here, or you could do a demonstration video, and then you would just record that with your device. There's a couple different things that you'll do before you make that video. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to create glaciers. You're actually going to be freezing water using these suggested materials, and you're making some glaciers, okay? Pretty crude, pretty quick, get her done, but you're going to make a couple glaciers. And then for your glaciers, you're going to be putting them on your landscape. All right, you could have fun with it and add some flour for some snow, and then you're going to be making your demo. Then you're going to set your glaciers deep in the soil, and then you're going to observe what happens to the landscape as your glaciers begin to move, okay? Next, then you're going to slowly begin, and you're following these directions exactly kind of like we talked about in class. So this video isn't to replace class. This video is to kind of help you understand what we talked about in class. But slowly begin to move your glaciers down the slope, like we said. Imagine this movement over thousands of years, right? Glaciers do not happen overnight. Think about our time scale. Things like floods can happen super fast. Things like glaciers take a long time. You're going to stop both the glaciers from moving about 6 to 8 inches before the end of the sheet pan, right? And then you're going to watch them melt or retreat from our learning. When you are addressing your demo, doing your demo, make sure that you talk about what might cause the glaciers to retreat. Then wait even longer, kind of wait for them to really melt, and then explain the changes over time. Now, Ms. Bergeson was a student teacher, and she created this sample video. I'm not going to show the video on the video, but you've got an example. This was her lesson of you experiencing glaciers. Now, the details for the assignment are right here. You will make a physical model of glaciers and the other landform, right, that it sits on. The cookie sheet basically is what this various other landform is, and the glaciers moving is what's moving your dirt on it, causing others. Include 2 of these landforms as you're building it. And then in your demo video or your your glacier slideshow, answer these questions. Okay? What I've done for you here is just try and chunk it. All right, what am I doing? Okay, you're going to complete 217. That was that glacier video, taking notes as you watch the video. Then you're going to make glaciers and put them on a cookie sheet of landscape. And then you're going to make your demo or slideshow, your demo video, and record and talk to me about what you're showing, or you could do it through pictures and a slideshow. If you finish, then this is that simulation that we talked about. All right, guys, so you are going to start at the beginning of the lesson. Sorry. Start at the beginning of the lesson and then make it happen. All right. Ask questions. Remember, I'm here right now, but you could just rewatch this so that it kind of jogs your memory of what am I doing? All right, guys. Bye.